Good morning, students. So today I'm going to give you the word problems, okay, of parts and wholes. So already Debashish sir already have given 4 word problems. So we'll continue after that. So today I'm giving 3 word problems, and in the coming week more word problems will give. So let's start. So what is the first question? Let's see. An express train, okay, an express train covers a distance of 871 whole 1/8 kilometer in 11 1/2 hours. Find the distance covered by the train in 1 hour. So actually I have not written here, so it will be by the train in 1 hour. Okay, so you have to find the distance covered by the train in 1 hour. Okay, so let's start. So here, according to the question, distance is given here. Distance is given 871 1/8 kilometer. So if you, this one is a mixed fraction, so if you convert in improper fraction, it will come 6969 by 8 kilometer. You know, first you have to multiply these two, 871 into 8, and the answer you have to add 1. So it will come 6969 by 8 kilometer. Time is given, okay, time is given 11 1/2 hours. 11 1/2 hours, again this one is mixed fraction, so if you just do this one, 11 2 is 22 plus 1 23 by 2 hours. Now the question is, therefore, distance covered in 1 hour. So you have to find out the distance covered in 1 hour. Obviously in 1 hour the distance will be less, so you have to divide. So distance covered in 1 hour will be this one, 6969 by 8 divide time 23 by 2. It will be in kilometer. Okay. So now how to do this one? This divide already you have done. So it will be 6969 by 8. In place of divide you have to give multiply sign. Then this one will be 2 by 23. This one you have to make the reciprocal. Then kilometer. This 2 and 8 you can cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. And this one you can cancel directly. Because the 6969, if you divide with 23, it will come 303. So directly with 23 you can cancel. 23 1s are 23, and 23, this one will be 303 if you divide with 23. Now no more cancellation, so 303 into 1, so it will be 303, and 4 into 1 by 4 kilometer. This is your answer. So distance covered in 1 hour is 303 by 4 kilometer. And if you want to convert in mixed fraction, so it will be 75 3 by 4 kilometer. 75 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay, how it is coming? So let's divide. 303, 7 4s are 28, then 23, then 5 4s are 20, your remainder is 3. So 75. Then here 3 and 4. So 75 3 by 4 kilometer. Okay, so this is the first question. Now go to the next one. What is the next question? Let's see. So this is the next question. Okay. So let's see what is the question. So the question is, if the price of 1 kg of sugar is rupees 14 1/2, then what will be the price of 3 1/4 kg of sugar? Okay, so what is the solution? So this, listen carefully, these are the statement problems, so you have to write down the statement. If you don't write down the statement, your marks will be deducted. So let's see the statement. So what we have written, price of 1 kg sugar equals to rupees 14,1 by 2. It's already given. And 14,1 by 2 means rupees 29 by 2. This is the first statement. So next statement, therefore, price of 3,1 by 4 kg sugar. This one you have to find out. Price of 3,1 by 4 kg sugar equals to rupees 29 by 2 into 3,1 by 4 means 13 by 4. 13 by 4. Because if 1 kg sugar is to rupees 29 by 2, then 3,1 by 4 kg sugar, obviously it will be more. So more means multiplication. So here no more cancellation is possible. So 29 into 13, it will become 377 and 2 4s are 8. And this one, see, again I have converted in mixed. So it is coming 47 1 by 8. So your answer is 47 1 by 8. Okay. So price of 3,1 by 4 kg sugar is rupees 47 1 by 8. So I hope the solution is clear to you. So let's move to the next question. Okay, so this is the next and the last question. So what is the question? If 5 by 9 liter of petrol cost rupees 92, then find the cost of 1 liter of petrol. You have to find the cost of 1 liter of petrol. So let's see what the statement we have written. So cost of 5 by 9 liter petrol equals to rupees 92. So this is already given. So cost of 1 liter petrol. So cost of 1 liter petrol equals to rupees 92 divide 5 by 9. Obviously this one you have to divide. Why? Because you have to find the cost of 1 liter, and obviously the cost of 1 liter petrol will be less, so you have to divide. So 92 divide 5 by 9, and the answer will be rupees, because you have to find out the cost. So rupees 92 divide, and this one will become 9 5 is 45 plus 1 46 by 9. So again this one we will do. So this one will be rupees 92, you know, it will become into, then it will become 9 by 46. Now 46 and 92, 46 2s are 92. So 46 2s are 92. You can directly cancel. 46 1s are 46, 46 2s are 92. And if you multiply, 9 2s are 18. Rupees 18. So the cost of 1 liter petrol is rupees 18. Okay, so I hope the solutions are clear to you. In next week video, we will give some more word problems. Okay, so today up to this much. Thank you.